Welcome and welcome back to Mrs. G's Living. In today's video, I am trying the Melanin Hair Care products on my 4C hair. This product line is brought to us by YouTube natural guru Natural 85, aka Whitney. So of course, I bought the travel size kit, which comes with the shampoo, the conditioner, the oil, as well as the styling cream, as well as a canvas bag. The travel size kit retails for $41. So we are going to start with the African Black Soap Reviving Shampoo, which gives you 3.4 ounces. So the African Black Soap Reviving Shampoo on its own at 3.4 ounces retails for $12. It is described as a clarifying shampoo. It is supposed to be enhanced with mineral-rich moisturizing cocoa and shea butter, argan and provitamin B5 to condition and promote increased elasticity and flexibility of the hair. So what I can say, one of the pros with this shampoo is that I do like the nozzle application. It was definitely easy to distribute throughout the scalp of my 4C hair. Also, while it's a clarifying shampoo, it did not strip my hair as most clarifying shampoos do. So I initially washed my hair twice, and while it made my hair and scalp squeaky clean, it still left it a little bit of nourishment and moisturize. So if I had to rate this shampoo on a scale of 1 to 5, 5 being great, I would rate it at a 4 out of 5. So definitely want to try the shampoo. It was soothing, it was revitalizing, and it also had a medicinal smell to it. So if you like, those medicinal smells of like eucalyptus, turmeric root, then this is definitely a product you should actually purchase. I love how my hair feels. It doesn't, goddamn water, it doesn't feel stripped of its moisture. So we're gonna go in. So we're gonna go in for a second round. Okay, look at that. I'm loving it. Back down memory lane. Okay. So now we're going to go in with the multi-use softening leave-in conditioner. Now, the 3.4 ounces on its own retails for $12. Now, with this leave-in conditioner, it is described as a multi-use softener. So it can be used as a pre-poo, a detangler, a conditioner, a deep conditioner, a leave-in conditioner, a styling cream, and to rehydrate your hair throughout the week. So with the conditioner, it claims to soften, smooth, instantly detangle your knots, and help to repair your hair from the inside out, from roots to the ends. So I'm using it as a traditional conditioner right after the shampoo to add moisture back to my hair. Now, I would rate this as a conditioner a 5 out of 5. This conditioner brought my moisture back. It did not strip my hair. There wasn't any buildup. There wasn't any breakage. And I actually enjoyed the smell of this leave out. It was more refreshing. It wasn't on the medicinal side. It smelled like chamomile, aloe vera, argan oil. So it was actually a softer smell to it. So I actually enjoyed this as a traditional conditioner. Now you will see my review when we discuss it as a styling conditioner or a leave-in conditioner. I would once again rate this a 5 out of 5, a must-have. So I'm going to put my heating cap on and let my hair marinate for at least 5 minutes before washing it out. So this is how my 4C hair looks once I've rinsed out of the conditioner. And as you can see, it's moisturized to the gods. My ringlets are ringletting. My hair feels moistured, nourished, revitalized. So yes, I would definitely rate this a 5 out of 5 for using it as a traditional conditioner. So we are back. Ghostbuster shirt is on. So as you already know, we are going to continue the hair product review on Melanin Care. Now, I'm going to be honest with you. I was highly anticipating reviewing this hair product, her hair products. And if you don't know, Natural 85 or Whitney is one of the old school hair gurus of this natural movement. Also, you know, she's my people's. She's a part of my culture. So I already knew that the product line was going to be perfection. And the reason I know that, because if you're part of our culture, you know that especially with girls, they expect nothing but 110% from us. 99.9% will not do. So I knew that this hair care product was going to be on point, and she did not point. So I just took off my just came out of the shower, and my hair feels so soft. It feels bouncy. It does not feel dry at all, which typically happens after I shampoo and condition my hair. What I also loved about this product is one of my pet peeves when getting sample sizes, travel sets. I dislike when they don't include the entire line, meaning that the entire products that we need for an entire wash day from start to end. Meaning it should come with the shampoo, it should come with the conditioner and the LOC, leave-in oil and conditioner. All naturals typically use all 5 steps, so I feel like all 5 steps should come into the package. So far the shampoo is not a hydrating shampoo, nor is it a detox. I feel like it's right there in the middle. Like, it's going to cleanse your hair. You're going to feel the cleanse, but it's not going to completely strip your hair. And then when you add the conditioner, so the conditioner, what I also love about it is that this conditioner can be used in 3 ways. So I used it as a traditional conditioner where you condition your hair, leave it on for 5 minutes, and then you wash it out. And it also can be used as a leave-in conditioner. So both. So we're going to use it as a leave-in conditioner for the LOC method. So let's just go. Let's just see. As I can see, my hair feels so moisturized. And keep in mind that I've had this hair wrap, so I didn't just come out the shower. I had breakfast, I was watching some TV, and my hair does not feel dried out whatsoever. So I did some things. So let's just go into the rest of the products. Of course, I'm just going to do a simple braid out. Find all my duck clips. Okay, so we're going to use the conditioner as the leave-in conditioner. And what I love about this conditioner, it doesn't have it has like a fresh summer breezy smell to it. That's the only way I can, like a citrus cleansing smell. It's not bad. And it's not overpowering. Okay. I'm gonna use the oil. And I'm gonna say I do like the packaging with the nozzle. Now for the shampoo, not so much, because I like to take a lot of shampoo out at the same time, but I see the point in having it to really get into your scalp. So the oil, is a multi-use pure oil blend. Now, it smells medicinal. So if you're not a person that likes that medicinal smell, and what I mean about medicinal, if you are from the Caribbean culture, it smells like it's in the line of like Dettol. I love the smell of medicinal. I love the smell of Dettol, Bengay, eucalyptus. I love that smell. So, but it may not be for many. So it does smell medicinal. Now, as far as the oil, to me, oil is oil. So the leave-in conditioner as well as the conditioner, the combination, I would give it a 5 out of 5. Like, I will buy that on its own. There's always, like, I feel like whenever I do these reviews, it's always one product that leads the bunch. So the oil is not too oily. It is not a lightweight oil, but it's not a heavy oil as well. It's right there in the middle, which I feel like her products is leaning towards. Like, it's not one extreme like most products are. Either it's a cleanser or it's a moisturizer, or hers is like right there in between, in the lines of like hydrating but not too hydrating, if you know what I mean. Okay, so we're going to use the elongated styling cream if I can get it open. Okay, so this is how it looks. It is thick. It is thick, thick, thick. Okay, so I'm gonna not be heavy-handed. I always say you're too heavy-handed with the products, but whatever. Okay, rubbing it in is not as heavy, but let's see. It has the same smell. Like, it's a slight medicinal smell. That's all I can explain. It's not too extreme where it'll give you a headache, but if you don't like the smell of medicinal and you want like a sweet aroma, this is not it. Okay, so I'm just gonna use that much. I can tell you right now, I don't think I like it. Because I don't feel like, I feel like with the other products, when they touch my hair, I could feel a difference. With this, not so much. The Twist Elongated Styling Cream is designed to instantly hydrate and seal the moisture into your hair, making it more manageable while also helping to detangle and reduce knots. Rich formula contains 5 of the most nourishing all-natural hair butters on the market. Like oil that has that tingly kind of mint sensation, and hers doesn't have that. It's an okay oil, so a 3.5. The elongated styling cream is not very moisturizing. It's thick, but not very moisturizing. I would give it a 3. Now, I do reserve the rights to change my mind once I, take out the twist out or the braid out. So we're going to do one more side, and I forget that I usually oil my scalp before I do any of this nonsense. So we about to put the oil up in there because that's what I usually do. Will also say is that they give you a nice amount for a travel size kit, and I do appreciate the bag that she gives. This is because me and storage, like, I need to keep all the products together, and this just helps with that, and it's waterproof. So, she was thinking everything through. So we're going to do one more before I go off screen so I can do the rest, because I don't want to be here forever. So my favorite product. TGIN, you got competition. TGIN, you got competition. Because I'm going to be honest with you, if I had to, I prefer it as a conditioner than a leave-in. So I know you can use it for both, but I actually prefer it as a conditioner. I felt like I got more impact, and it was more suited towards my hair as a conditioner. Maybe I need to elongated cream. Okay, let's get into the detangling.